Good day everyone. This reporting or this video is we will discussing about AC motors and generators. So what is AC motors and generators? An alternator or AC generator is a machine that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. So first we have here a construction of alternators. So we have here the two type of construction process. We have rotor assembly and stator assembly. Rotor assembly is constructed by the stacking and securing lamination winding the field coils and assembling the poles, while stator assembly core is built that by stacking and insulating steel lamination that armature windings are then placed into the slot and connected. So next is the diode rectifier and voltage regulator. These components are assembled and mounted within the frame. Next is bearing installation. Bearings are installed at the ends of the rotor shaft to support rotation. Next is frame assembly. The rotor and the stator assemblies are placed within the frame and the end covers are secured. Next is type of operation and alternators. Alternators are primarily classified into two types based on their construction and operation. One, we are here as silent pole alternators. Second is the non-silent pole alternators. Silent pole alternators is typically used in low and medium speed applications such as hydroelectric power plants. So next is application. Application 1. Hydroelectrical power plants. Silent pole alternators are widely used in hydroelectric power plants where the prime mover operates at relatively low speeds. Next is low-speed diesel engines. This is used in industrial and marine applications where the low-speed diesel engines are prevalent. Next is the wind turbines. Employed in wind turbines, particularly in cases where the turbine operates at varying speeds and low to medium RPM. Next is pump storage plants, suitable for application involving variable speeds such as pump storage plants where the water is pumped to a higher elevation during off-peak hours and released to generate electricity during peak hours. So, we are here the non-silent cylindrical pole alternators. So the operation is commonly used in high-speed applications such as steam and gas turbines. So here's the application. 1. Steam power plants. Non-silent pole alternators are commonly used in steam power plants where the prime mover operates at high speeds. So next is AC motors. AC motors are electrical motors driven by alternating current. They are widely used in industrial, commercial, and residential applications due to their simplicity, reliability, and efficiency. So here are the construction of AC motors. 1. Stator. Number 2 is rotor. Stator, made of laminated steel sheets to reduce eddy current losses, forming a hollow cylinder. Next is rotor, a laminated cylindrical structure mounted on a shaft similar to the stator core to minimize eddy current losses. So here are the types of rotor. We have squirrel cage rotor and wound rotor. Squirrel cage rotor consists of conductive bars, short and circuited by end rings on both ends. Wound rotor has windings similar to the stator windings connected to slip rings on a shaft. This type is used to wound rotor or slip ring induction motors. So next is types of operation in AC motors. AC motors are broadly categorized into two types based on their operating principles. We have induction motors and synchronous motors. In induction motors, we have two, squirrel cage induction motor and wound rotor induction motor. While the synchronous motors, we are here permanent magnet synchronous motors and electrically excited synchronous motor. Squirrel cage induction motor, magnetic field generation. When AC voltage is applied to the rotor windings, it produces a rotating magnetic field. Next is wound rotor induction motor. So starting, external resistors are connected to the rotor circuit to limit starting current and increase starting torque. Next is permanent magnet synchronous motor. The stator windings create a rotating magnetic field when connected to an AC supply. And that's all. Thank you.